Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm so excited to bring you along on my journey to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Today, we're going to explore the beautiful beaches that Rio has to offer. From Copacabana to Ipanema, this city is famous for its stunning coastline and lively atmosphere. Our first stop is Copacabana Beach. This beach is truly iconic, with its white sand and turquoise waters stretching for miles. As we walk along the beach, we can see vendors selling everything from fresh coconuts to beach towels. There's a constant buzz of activity here, with people playing volleyball, swimming, and sunbathing. Next up is Ipanema Beach, another famous spot in Rio. The beach is divided into different sections, with each one having its own unique vibe. The Posto 9 section is known for its young and trendy crowd, while Posto 10 is more family oriented. And if you did, please don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!